Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we have our first unboxing from this brand on my channel. I ordered me some Glow Recipe skincare. So if you would like to see what all I ordered, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So guys, welcome back. My name is Belinda. If you are just coming across my channel, welcome. All my OGs, thank you so much for coming back to spend some time with me. My name is Belinda. I am a self-taught mature makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to do unboxings, tutorials, reviews, teaching techniques, skincare, and tricks and hacks, and once in a while I'll throw in a cooking video. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to all so you don't miss any notifications. Now let's get into this unboxing. So guys, how y'all been? I've been off YouTube for about a week now because I got this huge zit. You can't really see it because I've got it covered up, but it was humongous. It was the size of a planet. I kid you not. But I've got it down to very little, and yeah, so I thought I will come back here and show you how to cover a zit, get the redness off of it, and put your makeup on. And then I did this unboxing and did this look. So I thought we would go ahead and do this unboxing. So this is what your stuff comes like. It comes packed up in a box. I don't even know what all I ordered. Let me see. Oh! Why is it wet? And there's something missing. Oh my god, it feels broken. Okay, so it was supposed to be this. Please God, don't let there be broken glass in here. And it's wet. I got it right off of the porch as soon as the mailman put it. Well, so much for the packaging anyway. So I ordered the Glow Recipe Fruit Babies bestseller kit. So I could try some of this stuff because I see a lot of people using it. And I wanted to try it. I knew I heard broken glass. Damn it. So it was the watermelon PHA Pore Tight something. So as you can see, one broke. I'll reach out to them and see if they can replace it. I also ordered the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Acid Cream. So, thank goodness this was okay, I guess. I wished the other one. This is the Plump Hyaluronic Acid Cream. And it looks like that. Oh wow, that smells amazing. It smells like pomegranate or something like that. And then we got the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream, which I just got one of these in BoxyCharm. So I will put this into a giveaway. I said if I got one, I had just ordered some, so if I said if I got an extra one, then I would most definitely put that one into a giveaway. Then we got the Watermelon Glow niacinamide dew drops. And then we got the watermelon glow pink juice moisturizer. And there's a piece of glass. I got the plump hyaluronic acid serum. So this is all skincare I can put, most of this is all skincare I can put on before I do my face. And I know that Rose and Ben uses this one as a primer, period. She just puts that on and then puts on her makeup, so that's less, piling on that you have to do. But she really likes this as a primer. So that was my unboxing for Glow Recipe. Darn, geez, I can't believe that came broken. Hey guys, I just wanted to update you. I reached out to Glow Recipe and they were so awesome to send me out another one. Not only did they send me out another one, they sent me a whole brand new box. So thank you so very much, Glow Recipe. I will be using this stuff for you guys in the next skincare video that we do, or get ready with me, so we can try out. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Have you ever tried Glow Recipe? And if you have, what is your favorite thing? The avocado melt retinol eye cream felt amazing. I got a pretty good size one in my BoxyCharm. So I was going to add it to whatever I got because I didn't know if I had this in the order. So I said if I did, I would put this in the giveaway. So that one will go in there, but it felt really good. And the only other Glow Recipe I've got to try is this one right here that I got in Ipsy, and it is the Watermelon Glow niacinamide dew drops, and that is what this is, and that's what Rose uses from Rose and Ben. So I can't wait to try these. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern lady from the South, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.